Ever wonder what it takes to capture that perfect soundbite during an interview or podcast? Today, we're going to discuss tips and tricks to help you capture those golden nuggets and help you leave a lasting impression on your audience.
I love gold!
First, it's important to know why capturing that spicy soundbite matters and how it helps you stand out. But what is a soundbite? A soundbite is a short snippet of voice or music from a longer piece of audio that's used to promote or exemplify the full-length piece. In the world of voice acting, you can see soundbites as your currency.
Open this up. Oh yeah.
The more you have, the more it shows off your talent, versatility, and gives you an edge to the competition. Be yourself, speak clearly, and use emotions. One of the best ways to engage your audience is to start with a strong hook. Ultimately, you want to provoke your audience with an interesting fact, question, or anecdote that will help keep them listening. Another way to do this is to tell them a good story.
And this is the inside title.
People love a good story, and this will make you more relatable and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Be memorable. You want to leave your audience with a lasting impression. Use catchphrases, metaphors, or other language to make you stand out so that your audience remembers you.
This is great banter.
Once all your hard work has been captured and posted, it's important to stay active. Make sure you share and promote your key messages on social media and engage with your audience. Building a relationship with your viewers will ensure you have brand loyalty and support.
You can do it!
Finally, listen to your audience's feedback and make tweaks to your sound bites as you go. I hope you found this helpful and it propels you on the way to creating those memorable sound bites. See you in the next one.